Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So as you can see, it's a pretty wet and rainy day today. We're dealing with the tropical storm that's covering our area. And so I thought, what better day is it to get the house cleaned up? So today I'm participating in the Midnight Clean With Me Challenge hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. Thanks so much, Denise, for hosting this collaboration. Guys, be sure to check my description box down below for a link to her video and the playlist of all the participants. So let's just jump right into this video. So since the weather is bad, I thought, let me go ahead and get dinner going. So I have a roast here that I'm just seasoning up, and I'm going to get this on to simmer so that I can spend the majority of the day just cleaning and cooking around the house. And yeah, we'll wrap up by the nighttime. So again, this is a roast here. I'm just showing you guys some of the ingredients that I'm adding: salt and pepper. That was Lipton onion soup mix that I sprinkled on top. And I'm adding in some garlic, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and some seasoned blend. You could cut up, onions and bell peppers and celery if you want to, but for me, this is super easy to just add seasoned blend. So I like to use it a lot for my meals. And I'm pouring in some beef broth. And this is a quick and easy, well, it's really not a quick meal, but it's definitely an easy meal to put on while you're doing other things around the house because you don't have to check it. And because the weather is bad, I didn't want to do it in my slow cooker in case if we lose electricity. So that's why I'm doing it on my stove top instead. But normally this would be a slow cooker meal for me. Alrighty, so we'll let that go and we'll get started cleaning up. Now we'll get started with laundry. And so I'm going to first start by ironing some of Addison's clothes. And so I'm featuring this foldable, adjustable height tabletop ironing board with a heat resistant cover. So this ironing board is compact, sturdy, and portable. So it's not your full size ironing board, but you can see I'm adjusting the height there. And I love the fact that it has a rest for your iron. So this is something that makes this ironing board extra special as far as I'm concerned, because it's small and convenient, but it has the iron rest there. So that makes it super easy. So you can actually use the ironing board the full length if you need to, instead of having to have the iron stand up on the actual board. So if you guys would like more information about this portable ironing board, I will have it listed in my description box down below. So be sure to check it there. So again, as you can see, I'm just adjusting the ironing board and it's super easy to adjust. I just did it with one hand. And it's perfect for ironing Addison's small clothes. So after I'm done here ironing downstairs, I will leave this ironing board upstairs so that my other kids can use it without having to come downstairs and get the larger ironing board from the laundry room. So this will fit perfectly in the linen closet upstairs and they can use it at their leisure. So yeah, so we're just going to spend some time ironing Addison's clothes. For me, I like to do this because it makes getting ready for school super easy when all of the clothes are already ironed, instead of having to iron items each day. So I like to do all the laundry and then iron all of the clothes that need to be ironed and get them hung up so that during the week everyone can just kind of grab and go what they need. But primarily I only iron Addison's clothes. My husband tends to iron his own clothes. But I will at times if I see there's something that needs to be ironed, but usually he just kind of does his own. And of course the older kids do their own. But I make it a point to get Addison's clothes ironed. So like I said, we can just make for easy getting ready in the morning. And then actually I'm allowing him to make some choices on his own so he can actually pick out his own outfit. And yeah, he's getting to be a big boy, so he's making some big boy choices. So yeah, I just like to have everything nice and neat for him. You know, guys, for me, I like to iron, and leave me comments down below to let me know, do you iron your clothes or your family's clothes? And if you do you enjoy it? For me, I really enjoy ironing because you can put a good movie on and just go to work. And that's exactly what I'm doing here. You guys already know I love the Hallmark Channel, and so I have some movies playing and I'm just ironing away. So as you guys can see, I had quite a few clothes to iron for Addison. So now that I'm making some progress with that, we'll take a break so I can go check on my dinner. And as you can see, it is looking so good and it's smelling amazing in our home. So yeah, I'm just going to let that keep going. And now I've done with all of the ironing of the clothes and I've put them all away. So now I'm folding the other clothes, and yeah, we'll just get those all put away as well. So, but this is the majority of items that do not need to be ironed. So these are items that will just be folded and then put away. So guys, leave me comments down below if you like folding clothes. For me, I don't mind doing laundry. I don't mind washing the clothes and drying them, then folding them. But what I do not like is putting them away. I don't know why, but I just don't like putting the clothes away. So a lot of times I will do everything and then my husband will put them away. But today I'm going to just do that myself. Since I've kind of got a roll going here. So I'm just going to continue folding all of the clothes, and then once everything is complete, I will stop to go put them away. A lot of times what I'll do is put the clothes in the basket after I folded them, and then we find ourselves digging through the basket for clothes and just undoing all the work that I did to fold it. So I'm trying to break that habit, and so and it's like a pet peeve of my husband's. He's like, why do you do that? So, but yeah, I don't mind folding clothes. It's actually fairly relaxing to me. But what I don't like to do also is match up the socks. So I'm just kind of digging through there and picking out the clothes and leaving in the socks and other items that I'm not going to fold. So yeah, this has been a day full of laundry. As you guys can see, it is starting to get dark. So yes, we're moving into the nighttime hours now. Now that we have all of the laundry done, and I did pick up all of the hangers and everything and put the ironing board away and everything, so now I just need to pick up the living room, so, and then we'll be pretty much done for the day. So I'm just showing you guys around right now how it's looking. It's not really bad, it's been worse. But yeah, it's not too bad, so this will be a quick and easy cleanup. So, and my son is over there doing the dishes, so I didn't have to worry about cleaning the kitchen tonight. Since I cooked dinner, usually when I cook dinner, then I don't do dishes. So yeah, so we'll just pick up the living room with the items that's kind of spread around and put everything back together neatly. Leave me comments down below if you guys like to get your house cleaned at nighttime so that you wake up to a fresh, clean space in the morning. To me, that's the best. I really enjoy getting up in the morning and walking into the living room and everything is nice and neat and in order. It doesn't usually last long with my little one, but at least I like to see it that way to start. Okay guys, so again, I want to say a huge thank you so much to Denise with This and That with Denise Jordan for hosting this collaboration. This has been so much fun, and it was a reason for me to be productive and get some things done around the house, so I was able to get a lot done. So thanks so much, Denise. Again, be sure to check out her channel in the description box below. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so very happy to have you here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button. And while you're at it, be sure to hit the notification bell so that you will receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. And guys, remember, it is absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it definitely helps my channel out tremendously. For my faithful family members, you guys know I love you so very much. And I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.